Hi guys, this is Ashish, founder of DotSuite. In this video, I'll show you how to find high traffic competitor pages and understand what's actually driving traffic for them. Most people focus only on keywords, but keywords alone don't give you the full picture because traffic doesn't come from keywords alone. It comes from pages. So instead of just looking at keywords, you need to identify which pages are actually bringing traffic. Let's see how to do this. Once you log into DotSuite, go to the competitor section and select a competitor. From here, navigate to ranked pages. Now you'll see a list of pages that are ranking for that competitor. These are the pages that are driving their visibility in search. Now there's another way to access this. You can also go to the left menu under Command Center and select Ranked Pages. Here you can enter your competitor's domain, choose the target country and language, and run the search. Now you'll get a complete list of pages sorted with high traffic pages at the top. Here, the traffic you see is estimated traffic calculated based on typical ranking behavior and keyword positions.
This helps you understand which pages are likely bringing the most visibility. Now here's the important part. Look for pages that are bringing consistent traffic ranking for multiple keywords and aligned with strong search intent. These are your high value opportunities.
This gives you a clear understanding of what topics are working, what kind of content is ranking, and how traffic is being generated. Now, instead of copying the page, focus on understanding the pattern. Ask yourself, what type of content is this? What problem is it solving? Why is this page ranking? You'll start noticing patterns like guides, product pages, comparison content, or a blog post. Now, once you identify strong pages, you can take action. You can create better content, target similar topics, and build pages around these opportunities. And this is where it becomes powerful because now you're not guessing, you're using real data to guide your strategy. Traffic doesn't come from random keywords. It comes from well-structured pages that match user intent. So when you focus on high traffic pages, you're focusing on what actually works. If you haven't tried this yet, go into Rank Pages in DotSuite and start exploring your opportunities. Link in the description below.
Thanks for watching.